Imagine a world where you can upgrade your body and mind just like a computer. Welcome to the cutting-edge world of biohacking, where technology meets biology. Biohacking is all about using science, technology, and a bit of creativity to enhance your physical and cognitive abilities. From DIY biology to high-tech implants, biohacking is redefining what it means to be human. Biohacking comes in many forms. Nutritional biohackers experiment with diets and supplements to optimize their health. DIY biologists use CRISPR to modify genes. Wearable tech enthusiasts track every aspect of their physiology, and some even implant devices directly into their bodies to gain new abilities. Wearable technology like fitness trackers and smartwatches is a common entry point into biohacking. But for the more adventurous, smart implants offer a whole new level of enhancement. Imagine having a chip under your skin that lets you unlock doors, track your vitals, or even pay for your coffee just by waving your hand. Nootropics, or smart drugs, are substances that enhance cognitive function, memory, creativity, and even motivation. Whether it's a pill that boosts focus or a supplement that sharpens memory, biohackers are always on the lookout for the next brain upgrade. At the more experimental end of the spectrum, we have DIY biology. These biohackers aren't just content with wearable tech. They're diving into genetics. Using CRISPR technology, they're editing genes to create glowing plants, modify their own DNA, or even enhance physical abilities. It's biology brought into the garage. Biohacking raises some serious ethical questions. Should we be altering our biology? What happens when enhancements are only available to the wealthy? And what are the long-term risks? As the line between human and machine blurs, we need to consider not just what we can do, but what we should do. The future of biohacking is full of possibilities, from curing diseases to enhancing human capabilities beyond our wildest dreams. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to push the boundaries of what it means to be human, we must tread carefully into this brave new world. So, what do you think? Is biohacking the next step in human evolution, or are we venturing too far? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechUniverse for more mind-bending explorations of the future of technology. Stay tuned because